Raw materials begin their journey long before the product takes shape. Every element moves with purpose, guided by gravity and steel. Stability is the first requirement of any journey. Raw materials leave extraction and enter controlled systems. Measurement defines the first layer of precision. Material must be reduced before it can be refined. Force transforms scale into manageable form. Flow replaces chaos once systems take over. Nothing advances without controlled weighting. Now prepared, the material is ready for the next stage.
Movement inside a factory is always deliberate.
Organization begins before production ever starts.
Every position has a purpose.
Traceability defines modern manufacturing.
Scale demands discipline.
Even raw materials respond to environment.
Timing is built long before assembly. Information moves faster than steel.
Stillness is part of control.
Preparation is where raw matter begins to change purpose. Precision starts with secure handling. Nothing moves without regulation. Purity is enforced step by step. Refinement is measured in microns. Uniformity enables strength. Environment shapes material behavior. Prepared, but not yet complete. The next change will be irreversible.
Material crosses into transformation.
Transformation begins with controlled heat. Strength is born under extreme conditions. Balance defines performance. Time is as critical as temperature. Form is captured before it fades. Stability follows heat.
Solid matter prepares to move again.
What was fluid now carries weight. Production advances to shaping. Before shaping continues, accuracy is verified. Invisible flaws are never ignored.
Consistency protects the process.
Even cooling prevents future weakness.
Every component carries its history.
Only approved material moves forward. Momentum resumes without interruption. Precision precedes force. Power waits for alignment. Now, shape will be imposed. Force refines internal structure. Strength is built through repetition. Control replaces brute force. Heat restores balance. Flatness defines fit. Dimensions become final. Precision lives in the details. Components prepare to unite.
Structure becomes a platform.
The foundation is complete.
A flawless finish begins with a clean surface.
Surface behavior is chemically tuned.
Balance is restored after reaction.
Color requires absolute control. Identity is formed at the surface. Finish becomes permanent.
The finish is ready to be judged.
Final judgment begins under full visibility. Precision is confirmed, not assumed. Perfection is inspected at scale. Identity must remain consistent. Strength is verified, not trusted.
Detail defines experience.
Refinement elevates perception. Only flawless parts advance.
Human eyes still matter.
Protection begins immediately.
presentation now matches precision.
The product is cleared for delivery.
Protection preserves perfection.
Uniformity continues beyond production.
Consistency reduces waste.
Moisture leaves without a trace. Structure protects the inside.
Fit is intentional. Closure marks completion.
Identity travels with the product. Accuracy follows through to shipment. Scale returns in organized form.
The journey moves outward.
Finished products enter controlled storage.
Positioning ensures availability.
Visibility extends beyond the factory floor.
Demand activates movement.
Departure requires precision too.
Products commit to the next journey.
Stability protects what was built.
Responsibility is formally transferred. And this is how modern factories produce the orange titanium iPhone 17 Pro Max from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.